This is the GBox Mini PC. Tiny, right? It's light and portable. You can put it on the desk or sport it on the back of the screen with brackets to save space. Best for gaming at home. With the Gemini N4100 processor with 4 cores, 4 threads, and a Gen 9 Intel HD graphics, it delivers fluent gaming experience without jumping frames. The best time killer at home. It also brings you a mobile office. It has diverse ports for connecting all kinds of external equipment at any time. So you can do simple office work such as editing a form or document. Analyzing financial data, also no problem. It's perfect for simple office work. And don't be too surprised that it supports HD 4K videos. Smooth pictures with ultra definition bring you the ultimate visual feast. Just lie on bed and enjoy Ultra HD 4K videos. This is the new generation GBox Mini PC.
We've created the Alienware Alpha to be the ultimate small form factor gaming PC, taking you deeper into the game than you ever thought possible. Amazingly small and incredibly user-friendly, the Alpha has a unique user interface, Alienware Hive Mind, which allows you to access your Steam games, videos, images, and favorite programs all from your controller. It's also got powerful Intel Core i processors, up to 16 gigs of DDR4 memory, and an M.2 PCIe port for additional storage. And with the optional Alienware graphics amplifier, you can experience brilliant 4K gaming and incredible virtual reality. With an improved GPU performance from a 4GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 960 GPU, your gaming experience is visceral and real. Crank up your settings and run your games at true 1080p and up to 60 frames per second for select titles. The Alpha also offers easy upgradability that only a PC can deliver. You'll enjoy access to core components, including upgrading the CPU, the memory, and the hard drive, all without voiding your warranty. With its dangerously small design and deceptively powerful performance, the Alpha has been engineered to change perceptions of how desktop gaming should look and feel.
Hi, I'm Stu from ASUS. Welcome to our very latest range of ultra-compact PCs, the Mini PC PN series. The most striking aspect of the ASUS PN series is arguably its stylish, ultra-compact design. With a base of just 115mm squared and a height of just 49mm, the PN series is uncompromisingly compact, taking up the smallest possible space on your desk. A brushed metal finish means it looks classy in any environment, and being Visa compliant, all PN series devices can be discreetly and conveniently stowed away behind any flat screen display. In terms of performance, we're packing the latest 8th generation processors from Intel, which means you can expect outstanding productivity. An Intel Core i3 processor packs 2 cores which are hyper-threaded for outstanding multitasking. This is backed by DDR4 support for frequencies of up to 2,400 MHz. Despite its small 0.62-liter size, the PN series offers an incredible array of connectivity. The front panel features a headphone mic combo jack, easy access to a Type-C USB 3.1 port, a USB 2.0 port, plus a Type-A USB 3.1 port that also provides quick device charging. At the rear, we find a comprehensive array of connectivity ports. These include an RJ45 Ethernet port, more USB 3.1 ports, both Type-A and Type-C options, plus both DisplayPort and HDMI ports, offering dual display support. When it comes to system storage and memory upgrades, the unique design of the PN series makes life as easy as possible. We start by removing the 4 screws on the underside of the device. Then simply slide back the upper portion, to gain easy access to the inside of the chassis. From here, it's really easy to install and replace the 2.5-inch drive integrated into the chassis here, as well as the M.2 SSD here and the DDR4 modules you can see right here. As well as a flexible upgrade path, business users will also be pleased to learn that the PN series arrives backed by the ASUS Corporate Stable Model Program. This provides a host of advantages, including the ASUS Control Center, a centralized IT management suite that enhances enterprise productivity. Customers can also take advantage of stable supply provisioning, custom packaging options, and much more. Welcome to the future of compact computing. Welcome to the ASUS Mini PC PN series.
This is the Byte 3, and this is the Auto Run Jumper. The Auto Run Jumper is a feature that enables your computer to automatically start without being prompted to. Before we begin, we recommend using an anti-static wrist strap or a grounding device. Okay, let's install it. We'll have our tools ready for us on the side. First, we're going to remove all 4 of the outer screws from the device. Afterwards, we can remove the back plate. The Auto Run Jumper will be installed right here, the top 2 prongs to be exact. Carefully, slide the jumper into the prongs. Now we can reattach our back plate and reinsert all of our screws. We're not quite done yet. We want to test it out to ensure proper installation. To do this, simply insert the power adapter into the device. Once inserted, you should see that the device automatically starts. That's it, we're all done. For more information about all of our products, subscribe to our YouTube channel and learn more at azultech.com.